Hello traders. So in this video I am reviewing the AbuTrader EA for MT4, and I am going to walk you through how it actually behaves, what kind of logic it is built on, and what you can realistically expect when you run it through proper backtesting. And quickly, before we dive in, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So it's a solid option if you want something more flexible alongside what we are reviewing today. Now, very important, the AbuTrader EA is designed for MT4. So ensure that you have the MT4 platform if you desire to use this EA. And we can see that it is priced at 950 US dollars, developed by Murodilio Eshkuvatov. I hope I pronounced the name correctly. Okay, and we can see that the EA is positioned as a long-term flexible trading system with a strong emphasis on Euro USD. All right. Even though the developer mentions it can be used on metals and even crypto, you know, the core optimization is clearly around Euro USD on the H1 time frame. All right, so that is important because it tells us where the EA is most likely to perform consistently. Now, one thing that stands out immediately is the focus on hedging. All right, the EA mentions that every trade is protected with a kind of hedging stop loss, which already suggests that instead of closing trades additionally, it may offset positions using opposite trades. That's a very different approach compared to standard stop loss based systems. Also, the EA includes automatic lot sizing and is designed to be plug and play, meaning that most users won't need to adjust settings much. That is convenient, all right, but it also means that you are relying heavily on the default logic, so understanding how it behaves become more important. Now, in terms of advantages, the system is designed for flexibility across brokers and account types, including prop firm environments. But the key limitation here is also clear. It depends heavily on low spreads and good execution, because with hedging strategies, spread and execution quality can significantly affect performance. All right, now let us move into the back testing, because this is where we actually see what is going on under the hood. I have already downloaded the free demo, which we can only use on the strategy tester, so we're going to be heading over there right now. We're going to be testing the AbuTrader EA on Euro USD on the H1 time frame. All right, so let's just quickly select the AbuTrader, okay, Euro USD H1 time frame, and we're going to be running the test from the beginning of the year, 1st January 2026, till date, okay, so that we can get a meaningful performance sample. As always, longer back tests tend to give a more reliable picture than short ones, so I will recommend that you test the EA over a longer period of time. So let's just quickly start the back test, okay, and to see how the EA would have performed over the past 4 months. All right, so we can see that our first trade has already been executed, and you will see that trades are not happening randomly, okay, and EA is not hasty about executing trades. All right, it suggests that the EA is using some form of structure over level based logic for entries. All right, anyways, let's just continue. um, the EA seems to be really selective about his trades. Okay, so we're just going to be skipping to the end of the back test. All right, let's just fast forward toward the end of the back test, and we are going to analyze the results together, see how the EA performed over the past 4 months. All right, so in a bit now, we will have the results out, and we can analyze them together. Okay, so here we go. So remember that we ran the test using the recommended pair and the recommended time frame, right? And then what we are seeing here is from an initial deposit of $10,000, there was a total net profit of negative 89 cents, right? Only one trade was taken, and that trade was a losing trade, 89 cents loss. Okay, so this shows that the EA was not hasty with trades, and perhaps the market condition might not have been the best for the EA, which is why only one trade was taken, right? And to get a more comprehensive result, it would be advisable to test the EA over a longer period of time, right? We have already gone through the features of the EA, or the overview of the EA, here on the MQL5 marketplace, and we have also backtested over the past 4 months from the beginning of 2026. So if you desire to see a more comprehensive result, maybe you want to know how the EA performed over the past year or the past 2 years, feel free to just go ahead to your MT4 and run the backtest, over a longer period of time, okay, so that you can get a more comprehensive result, right? But remember that these are historical backtest results, so they are not a guarantee of future performance. And from what we can observe, the EA is capable of catching good moves in the market over time, but it comes with noticeable drawdown periods, due to the hedging structure. All right. So the growth might be there, but it's tied to how well the market provides retracement opportunities. All right. And remember that your results will vary depending on your lot size, your broker conditions, spreads, and execution quality. So it is very important to test this EA properly, ideally on demo first, and then optimize it for your specific setup. All right. So in conclusion, AbuTrader EA for MT4 is a hedging based trading system that focuses on managing positions as a basket rather than individual trades. So it is best suited for traders who understand drawdown dynamics and are comfortable with holding positions over time. All right, it might perform well in fluctuating markets with retracement, but can struggle during strong trending conditions. So this is not a low risk plug and play system. It requires proper expectations, patience, and good risk management. If that aligns with your approach, then it might be worth testing further before going live. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.